Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the headphones and getting them into pairing mode. This is the first actionable move. Make sure headphones show a flashing LED or say pairing. That confirms discoverability. On your phone, open Bluetooth settings and keep the page visible so you can select the device immediately. Once done, watch for the OnePlus model name to appear. Tapping it begins the handshake. This eliminates confusion with nearby devices and speeds connection, so do it now before moving on. After selecting the OnePlus device, accept any pairing prompts and enter a PIN only if asked. Most phones use no PIN. Once paired, make sure the phone assigns media and call audio roles so both music and calls route correctly. If your phone supports higher quality codecs, switch to aptX or AAC in Bluetooth Advanced settings for better sound. This reduces latency and improves fidelity. Finally, set volume at a safe level in test playback to confirm stable audio and mic operation. You're almost done. Confirm automatic reconnect by powering off and on. Headphones should rejoin your phone without manual pairing. If they don't, forget the device on your phone and pair again. That clears stale profiles. Should problems persist, perform a factory reset on the headphones following the button sequence in the manual. This restores defaults and resolves many glitches. Also check for firmware updates in the OnePlus app. Updating often fixes connectivity bugs. Use these steps to finish setup and keep things reliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.